Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to get started with Bing Chat. Are you ready to explore Bing Chat? Let's get started with a step-by-step guide. First, open up your preferred web browser and type bing.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You will see a sign in option. Keep in mind that you will need a Microsoft Edge account to access Bing Chat. If you don't have one, make sure to create an account before proceeding. But if you already have a Microsoft Edge account, simply click on Sign In and enter your account details. After signing in with your Microsoft Edge account, you are all set. You can now start using Bing Chat to connect, communicate, and collaborate. Enjoy the seamless experience of Bing Chat for your online interactions. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.